know who Acer wants told to play or whatever the fuck.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that side of it.
It doesn't matter.
I'm just middle
Well,
man.
I just
this
messaged he just messaged me back, Rising did. He was like, who's playing? And I was like, well, me and Ram are in here, Acer's on his way, and Comment's here. If you don't want to play, we have Comment play.
The good thing about Rising is I could turn my brain off and he can IGL.
Yeah,
I don't have to
he was
think.
IG on his ass off last night.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I was like high too, so I needed it. I needed direction.
Yeah. I fuck with having an IGL.
Oh shoot. What is it? Open road? Fuck, I don't have open road.
Do you don't have open road?
I gotta go download it. Do they have the maps on the Fraternity Center?
Yeah. I think
Probably.
they
They don't have foreign server yet, so the 15 minutes hasn't started. In my mind.
Alright, cool. Fuck. How do I get the... Fraternity Center does not have the...
Dita does.
CETA does not have open road anymore.
Fuck. No Steam login.
Well, I'm pretty sure Center would have it.
Fuck. I just bought my new PC too. Sir Please group has all these.
Are you sure? It's not on center. Oh, you said
It's not on
It isn't.
CETA. Let's see, Center.
Definitely would be on Center.
Anti-cheat bans, demos, more servers, Steam group.
If it's not, it's on
custom
the.
maps. Here we go.
There it is. There it is.
There it is. Open road. But yeah,
Not gonna lie.
Acer set this up. He said if he's not available, that I can play. If not, I'll.
Rising said he's on his way, but he says the other team has to agree to letting him play.
Well, Acer's the one talking to them. So
Yeah.
I don't know if that's what I'm saying. I don't know if that conversation happened
Yeah,
yet.
so we'll
I didn't
just-
even know that was a rule.
We'll see.
So I don't really know what's going on. I just got told to show up, and that's how.
He's like,
that
use
is.
comment map 1. I come. I'm like, oh, if we're gonna start a comment, we're just gonna play with comment. Like, I'm just gonna like start. I'm just gonna start a game with comment and like, okay, could you go sit now?
We can do some maneuvering.
Yeah, I mean, if you're
Tell
playing,
him
map,
to
play.
map one's my
you
best
play.
map anyways, right? And then
The map 1 player.
yeah. I'm bringing me for infected.
Switch out Rising on Survivor so we can IGL with comment on infected.
No, actually, yeah, I'm probably better survivor anyways.
We were going off yesterday on infected.
I have
Okay,
that double charge.
they do a foreign server, so if we
So
can
15
get,
minutes starts now.
yeah, so we have to get 4.
Yeah, well, Acer is on his way home, right? He said.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if we can
He
start,
said
and then
10
Acer
minutes
can
away
take
at
my spot.
11:25. So in 2 minutes he should be home, and according to his calculations.
Alright, well, he can take my spot when he gets in.
So Rising's not here right now, in case
He says, I'm coming back as well. Use comment, like the other team has to agree to a ringer. Use comment, maybe map 1, I come, unless he wants to play full game. That's what he says.
I mean, like, I agree. If we start with comment, I think we should use comment.
Yeah, I'm gonna start my record or get my shit ready, I guess. Then.
Yes, get your shit ready.
Gonna talk my shit again. True. Let me get my shit ready as well.
Make sure your game is in windowed borderless mode. Or
What? You do have to do that?
Windowed no border mode, correct.
My god, what a...
I told you, I thought so.
Yep.
My brightness is gonna be so off.
Your brightness is gonna be bad because you cannot change your brightness in windowed border mode. So what you have to do
What?
is you have to change the brightness on your monitor.
Yeah. Okay, well, in that case, I'm doing a few things. I don't have time to fuck around with this shit.
That's that shit I don't like. NeverLose has full team and server. 15 minutes starts now.
Wording.
Alright. Get rise. Well, we should get rising in here to make sure that we don't.
Well, I
I
don't
forfeit
think
don't
he's
think
here.
I don't know if he's here now. It says I'm almost back. That's what he said to me.
Okay, well, that's a problem. What's our tag? Is it Lucky or is it Glock?
It's Glock period space name.
Glock. Period,
Oh, I can
space.
already tell this is gonna be ugly. Didn't know we had to use borderless windowed. Fuck. I mean, we kind of talked about it yesterday, but
Yeah, I alluded to
ew,
it. Really.
this looks fucking hideous.
So do you have honestly what you could do right now is just like boost your fucking monitor brightness or something like.
I'm just not gonna fuck with it. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, honestly.
I mean, sometimes
But
I mean it's really just bad like on dark area, like dark maps and dark areas for sure.
whatever. I don't understand the purpose of that, but I also don't and have never cheated, so I'm sure there's some utility to that.
Well, it's just for like the desktop capture. So like, when you minimize to show your OBS, it just like instantly will do it, and you can't like hide.
Oh, is that the intention?
I'm assuming. A fake gamer, that's that shit I don't like.
Well,
Alright, I wish I would have saw
Waiting.
what time it was when he said starts now. What time was that? Fuck, I should.
bro!
Did you restart your Steam?
Yeah, the
Whoa.
fuck? Alright, let me restart fucking everything, I guess.
A fake gamer.
Can I not be invisible on Steam? Is that a thing? I went
I don't
invisible
know.
on Steam and I got no Steam logo.
I'm not gonna say that's a real thing or not. I don't know.
We're recording. Oh my god, this is
Recording. Stop.
stupid, bro.
Recording. Start. That reminded me of old like fucking. Was that Mumble or was that like recording? Stop.
Wasn't that TeamSpeak?
I mean, it was TeamSpeak. Fuck.
I think that actually, I don't know. Maybe it was
It
Mumble.
could have been TeamSpeak.
Mumble.
Fuck.
Good old days. At this point, whoever comes first, because we should not surrender due to not having enough players.
Is Bravo on?
He is not.
Well,
He's the way he woke up this early for Left 4 Dead. Say that. I mean, Rising is on. He said.
okay,
But he,
okay.
Alright, get him in here. We can't
Well-
surrender. Got like,
Yeah.
what, 10 minutes
I
now
asked.
before we
We
surrender?
asked them if they care for using Ringer. We need their permission.
Yes. Smiley face.
Yeah, smile without the question mark. We have to wait 3 minutes while they translate. Motherfucker.
Yeah.
You wood cutting over here? Again, the 99 wood cutting?
Yeah, I'm leveling my shit.
I gotta love my shit right now.
Never lose.
Okay, let's go. Okay, speak up for us on our behalf.
He's begging.
It's not
mean-
begging. That's being polite. You should let me know in advance, so no. Well, we didn't think
I typed
we
fat fuck but
would
deleted.
need one until. Okay, well.
If we lose this, I'm for sure dropping out for 15-minute no ringer, whatever the fuck. I do not care to play if this is
No, now we have to beat them because they're fuckers. Alright, let me get Brubs here.
I mean, no, I think Acer should be getting on. I believe.
I mean, how much time we got left?
Like how much time we got him, okay.
Do you want me to ask Bravo? He's on, or he's on his phone.
Let's see what MK says.
9 minutes.
Oh, we got time.
Okay.
You think? Do we? I mean, fuck it, dude. If Acer doesn't show up, I'm just dropping out, I guess.
Crazy that they'd want to win just by making us forfeit by not letting these.
Oh, of course. Wait, Nagi's sick as hell, but maybe he can play.
Yeah,
I mean, see if he can like stand in until we get
yeah,
Acer
yeah,
on us.
stand in, yeah, stand in. Something. We have to play. Get him.
But he doesn't. I doubt he has any of his things set up for OBS or anything. Like,
Oh, true. Fuck. So stupid.
It takes 2 seconds. I
to
can
be fair, he should have already set that up if he thought
Yeah.
he might be playing. So it's on
Yes.
him.
Yeah, for sure. And it only needs to be for like 5 minutes to stand in. So that Acer can get here.
Crazy. I'm sure Acer is running right now to his house, to his home. Oh my god. Oh,
Yeah,
he's that sick. He's that sick.
I believe it. He
Dude,
didn't sound good the other day.
That's not good.
Tell him just sit at his desk and just sit in game for 1 second.
No, it's fine. No, he's sick as fuck. He says he can't get out of bed.
Alright, that's tough. Can't use a ringer. So like pretty much hope Acer gets here or ask Bravo. It's like fucking
Okay, ask Bravo to play until if he could play until Acer gets here then.
Alright, unlucky.
What a stupid fucking.
I mean, it is what it is. Gotta have people ready at the time.
Yeah.
You can't.
We had 3 people maybe ready, and they all didn't make it. That sucks. I also didn't know the ringer shit with.
Yeah. I
Like,
mean,
You gotta ask permission.
yeah, I just assumed because again, like the past 2 games we played, Rising was playing with us. I didn't know if Acer asked them before or if he just showed up and played and nobody cared. I didn't know. Like,
Yeah.
I was just leaving. Say GG. This is stupid.
Yo.
Oh, say,
oh, Acer.
yo, get in here, get in here.
Hey,
You have
he's
like
here.
2 minutes.
We're almost out of time.
Out of time.
Yeah, they put a timer on us. Get in
Man,
here
what
quick.
the fuck they gonna do, man?
forfeit loss. That's what we
Yeah,
got.
the fuck you gonna do, man? Take my shirt off.
Take your shirt off, bro. Come on.
We'll take it off in
Shit,
game.
bro.
Tell him I'm literally coming.
These guys said no to
No to
us
Rising.
using a sub, by the way.
Yeah.
Fucking
Oh, so they
losers.
they're like that.
Yeah, they said we didn't ask before, so no. Or something.
Super try hard, super baiting every single hit, super fucking.
He said you should have let me know in advance, so no. So he said.
Should've been like, okay, kid.
I just said okay, capitalized, and didn't talk to me.
Map 3? Oh,
I
you
just
only have to
asked.
tab out map 3?
Think so? Let's see. Coming.
Come on.
Million.
Dude, I was ready to forfeit the whole fucking tournament, bro. They're being such
Bro.
bitches.
I'm ready
Rams
right now.
crashing out right now.
Ram was ready to crash out. He's looking for.
I mean,
honestly.
if we took this loss because of that, because they wanted to be fucking retards and be like, oh, you can't.
Remember, it is
You
our
gotta warn me if you
responsibility
wanna
to
use
have
this,
an entire
just
team
play
ready
the
by the match start.
game.
Comment. Stop being an adult, dude.
Yeah,
He
but
loves dead,
there's
bro.
no world where I'm like,
Stuff for dead.
oh, you can't use a ringer.
It's Left 4 Dead.
Like, it's just wasting everyone's time, bro.
That's funny.
Dude, it's a $1,000 tournament. You're playing for
True.
money at this point, so they're gonna
That's
have
true,
any
this is-
advantage to win that they want.
This is
It's
their whole
it's
fucking.
no longer
if
playing
they
for fun. You're playing for
if
money.
they win, which they won't, they're this is their
This is
whole life savings.
this is
fucking
their entire GDP is crazy.
Well, yeah, I was gonna say.
These fucking idiots, bro. Cringe as fuck.
Equalize pings. Equalize
You're
this.
recording and shit, Acer?
Yeah, hold up.
Okay, what positions are we out? I can be 1.
Yeah, you can do one shot. You should do one shotgun. I'll play last or 3.
No.
Acer's caboose.
I'll play 2. I'll be right behind you. Open ooze right now.
Do you want to play 1, or
Try-
would you rather?
Me?
I can do either. Yeah,
I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what my aim is right yet because I haven't.
I'll do 1. I'll do 1.
We'll see. I could be locked in, but I could also not be.
We're locked in.
I have to record demos too.
Yeah. I guess.
What?
Stupid fucking shit, bro. Alright,
Jesus.
recorded.
Okay.
No way, I don't clear that tongue, bro. By shooting the tongue. Tank.
Jesus Christ.
There's Susie in here.
Play aggressive with the Uzis until he gets the hittable in.
Where's the fuck?
Now he one of those jockeys.
Fuck.
Reloading. Fuck.
Monkey on a mule.
All of us are
Holy
reloading.
fuck!
Into miss.
I need to get clear.
I was out of bullets. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
I have a boomer. Probably gonna come from the shed.
It's hitting us hittable somewhere.
Play around the roof.
I don't know if it's like up there. Hit. Oh, he didn't even have
Oh,
it.
he's in it. No hit him.
That's it, don't worry, don't worry.
No way.
Comment!
Raise.
Just S. Just S.
I'm
We're gonna have long arms every time.
I'm gonna be stuck in like that. Stuck in the back. It's fine.
Take a shot.
Weapon. Reloading.
Chucky.
Don't shoot me.
Fuck it.
Reloading. Reloading.
Oh, sorry. You ran into me. I was swinging with it.
Reloading.
Or snow gun?
They're hit. Is it a quad? Bill's right here.
Let's get ready before we open that door.
Left, left, left.
Wait, wait, wait.
It's on now.
Oh, Chucky back.
Yeah, that's it.
Should be it, right? Yeah. Dude. Commons. Had their hands in my pockets, bro.
The safe room.
We got a safe house.
I'll
Hey,
block
we got a safe room right ahead.
Let's go, go, go.
All right, this
Alright,
party
let's
is
fucking
over.
get a wipe here on tank and then
Sounds like
If I talk shit, will we get like points
Yes,
off?
don't talk
Yeah.
shit.
just type
Oh!
if you want to talk shit, talk shit in
What are you
team
gonna-
chat. So
what are
when
you
they
gonna-
watch the
what- I mean,
VOD,
what are you
when
gonna
they watch
say?
MK's VOD, they can see us talking shit.
Can we talk shit
hate
map
to be the
4?
bearer,
I
I
mean,
must
what are you
be
gonna say?
dreaming.
No,
I mean,
'cause
I
they
just wanna
can give
call
us
them fucking
enforcement
retards.
laws.
Say this is for Rising.
Sorry, y'all. This way.
Yeah.
Over a traffic jam.
Wait,
This
what
one's
is
for,
Why?
this one's
Because
for
he's Rising?
Rizio.
No, fuck them, dude.
You
It's
can
like
get
that what they
forfeit
said?
laws for being
Yeah,
a dick.
we asked because we weren't sure if you're gonna make it, and we're like, can we get a ringer? And they're like, you didn't ask us ahead of time, so no.
so instead of playing a match and
Don't want that.
all right, thank you. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Crazy motherfucker.
So instead of you know, playing the match and getting everyone involved, like to watch a game and shit, they're just like,
I know MK was like
Good job.
hope. MK wanted us to play it. He wants matches for sure. You know. He doesn't want us to play it.
yeah.
Wait, hold on. They're saying my stream's not.
Are you streaming?
Oh shit. Wait, is it good now?
You can record.
Oh shit.
Record too.
I don't
That's
think
what I'm doing.
I don't think my stream was set up correctly.
I mean, you didn't
Like the
probably had
first
no time to
hour.
test it, so I mean, it's whatever.
Yeah.
I mean, the fact that we might lose because of that, though. Thanks, Ace.
I know,
Thanks,
right?
dude.
Thank you for that one. We lose for that.
They're gonna ask for demos for sure. Knowing
100%.
these fucking.
Reload.
That's a fucking DQ. If I ever seen one.
It's a Dairy
Facts.
Queen.
It's
I'm ready.
I'm coming. I'm coming from here. I'm coming
Ready?
from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go.
I don't know. I'm behind the tree and he's hitting me. A shot.
Oh wait.
Wait, equalized pings. Guy still has 53 ping. Oh, damn.
I'm glad I got the 53 ping. That's all.
Yeah,
I'll
I
say.
guess.
Right, you spawn right
Wait,
in
you're
your
spawning
face.
inside him. Go! Yo! What the fuck is happening?
Back
Just
up,
going,
back
just going. Bro, were you tapped out?
Yeah, dude, I'm trying to set up my fucking stream.
Oh.
Bro, then
No,
pause it
pause
to do
the
that.
fucking
Why are you doing it
game. Yeah,
mid-game?
dude, pause the game, bro.
You're fucking mid-game, mid-tank, and you
I don't know
decide
why they spawned you right there, though.
That's crazy.
What the fuck was that, dude?
Heads up.
And if you still need to do it, pause. I'm saying, I don't know.
Yeah, you can pause it. We have infinite
Like,
pause.
Yeah, just pause the game.
Yeah.
I mean,
You
they
would
were in
have
my ass
shit on
anyways,
them.
right?
You
But they
would have shit on them.
spawned,
They
like,
would
in
have
between,
Yeah,
destroyed
you would have
like,
spawned
all of them.
inside of them. You would have
You
been.
literally
Oh.
would have
It
destroyed
was
them, bro.
unfortunate.
By the time you tapped in, you're down like 1.5. Shit, bro.
What's
Stuff.
going on? Why is it not working? Display
What's up?
capture.
Bro, this.
But then whenever I go back in, it's
Your window has to be borderless. Windowed border mode. You can't play in.
I know it is window border. You can see when I'm alt tab. But
So, oh yeah, OBS, scene, display capture.
Oh,
I'm gonna be
fuck.
Bravo.
Are you leaving?
Well, I mean, I don't know why it's not working.
I mean, fuck it. If any worst case, just play it out. Whatever. You got your demo. Just do a game capture. I don't fucking know, dude. This
Like I say, yeah,
is.
just OBS, capture it
Ah,
the best you can.
uh,
If they DQ us because of that, then I don't know what to tell you.
yeah.
Or just install the anti-cheat, and so you don't have to do this bullshit.
Holy shit, dude. This game is crazy.
That's what we, yeah, that's what we're recording. Should we charge ice shot fit in the stairs, or?
Oh yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna reload.
Come from here. There's a window outside you can come from as well if you want to wait for him to get up.
Can you make noise right now?
I feel like pouncing through that window is tough.
Reloading.
I meant to pounce off of it, and I
Oh.
just slid off and got stuck.
Ammo here. Let's get ready, then open the door.
I have a quad.
Hey, watch out, coming.
There we go.
Here.
I'm ready.
Oh, there.
Let's go. I didn't know there was a couch in there. I'll be real.
I didn't even know there was a room in here. This is the first time I've ever seen this place. Oh, he's walking through Death Spit. Let's go.
Safe house back here. Heads up.
I mean, that was just unfortunate. We
Hey,
had
got a
like,
safe room right ahead.
I don't know, that was stupid.
I mean, if we're
Hey, I need
just
everybody
playing
inside
and
now. Can you see
I
a
don't know,
limp in
fucking,
here?
I don't fucking know.
You guys aren't so damn bad.
What I do know is that this game has made me bravo.
Charger.
Them wanting to DQ us, or like not allow us a ringer. The fact that you have to ask for a ringer.
You have to have 4 players ready to play at the game time.
If it's not number 1,
You guys would have never survived in
like that.
2011. At the game time, if you hadn't have 4 players and ready in server, you were DQ'd.
it's a good one.
But yeah, we're fine, Matt. We're fine. Extend our
This
lead.
guy who was trying to set the world record on staying
They,
on a Ferris wheel. He'd been up there like 2 days or something, and he wanted some beer, but they weren't giving him any, so he got this rope. Now, don't ask me where he got the rope from.
2 tanks.
Whoa, whoa, hey!
One clear combo with Uzi.
Yeah, I've switched to the ramp.
Reloading.
My bait. I got stumbled, bro.
Alright.
So, do you guys
Go
know
quick,
all
go
about
quick.
swamps?
I normally stay the hell away from swamps on principle.
Look out now!
Remember that movie with that golfer that got his hand ate by a gator? That shit's real. Yeah.
I hit here, my hit here.
Sometimes it's best not to find out what you don't
Reloading.
know.
Well, I know what to do with this.
Gun!
Go.
We come back down here for a tank.
Here we can.
I hear Hunter.
Bait it.
Watch me.
Nev, get a little closer.
Oh, let me just-
We got a hunter!
Charger on me, charger on me. Coming, coming.
Reloading first.
Oh man.
Reloading!
Fuck it, gets out.
Everybody grab a weapon.
Killing spitter.
Stuck! Help! Help! I got stuck underneath the bridge. Help!
I mean, we just.
I was trapped underneath the bridge right here. I went to kill
Oh,
Common.
I'm sorry. Ain't used to all this shooting and running
I'm
around.
reloading.
Alright, we're throwing it out.
At least not the running around.
Not dead yet.
No. Where's my fearless leader?
Pistol.
I'll just find him here. I don't give a fuck, honestly.
No, fine.
Look out!
I can watch the back.
He's in.
Tank inbound!
I'm dead. Fucking dead.
Fuck it, we're playing this game. I'm taking the risk right here.
Not gonna, yeah,
Pick me
you
up, pick me up,
fucked
pick me up. Jockey, charger.
Lucky?
Charger, charger.
Knocky.
For him.
Down, 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 down.
Holy
Alright,
fuck.
we're fine. We're fine, we're fine. We're fine.
Girl, you should have stayed out.
Guess I just stay in the wooded area, not go up there.
Watch out!
Must be upstairs.
Look out!
I didn't know that car was hittable, and I thought y'all were cutting back to us, and I didn't know we were dropping. Where's my video?
I don't really know this map that well, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it, but I don't know like strats.
Fuck.
Reloading!
Right here, gun.
All right, weapons.
Grab the shotgun.
Watch out.
I'm tired. I'm being sick and tired.
Jesus Christ.
Shoot it, shoot it.
I actually do need to go to the 10.
I'm back in the back.
Gotta reload!
You have your old gamer comment, you eat that boom so I don't get hoarded right here. Go in the back a little bit.
Reloading! Fire spit coming!
Holy fuck.
That could have been a lot worse than it was, say that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
wait.
I got
On
fucking
tank.
destroyed. I was underneath that bridge trying to kill Common and the 100 pounced at me and I hit S and got stuck underneath the bridge. I just stood there and lost all my health.
Yeah, just let us know.
I mean, I did. I just didn't matter.
Yeah, we were pretty far behind, but
Just let us know.
just let's start screaming.
Junior is the
Save you.
man. I mean, I don't know anybody like that, man. But there
Badass.
was this guy knew.
I need
He
Bravo.
raced dirt tracks, not stock cars, but open wheel,
this is the one that ends the team. This is the match.
I mean, it's just
Every
the
week.
fucking.
Every week. I mean, I know, right? We've been here for 2 weeks on it. It's fucking awful. It's shitty playing this shit.
This is my my literal first.
This is
match.
why I was like okay with this. Decided I didn't want to play anymore.
Don't be a fucking
I
pussy.
see. I see. It all makes sense now. One, I empathize with Bravo a little bit more.
Nah, it's still fucked up.
Well, like
Fuck
2
the
months.
ops. It's still fucked the ops. You got me.
He's still in.
Alright, you ready?
Whenever. No. Let him. Two come out.
Alright.
Let. Ready. Let's go. Go.
Go. I gotta pull.
We land that. We land that.
Oh, Christ, and a handbag.
Rolling.
Dude.
Oh, that
These
Danny.
guys are bad. These guys are bad.
They are.
Oh,
That's
we're
why they
all
wanted a
bad.
fucking forfeit win.
You know what else is bad?
They wanted a forfeit win. They're not gonna get it.
Listen up, everybody. Be on the lookout for blood farmers.
If they get it, so
Serious.
what? That guy's still up there. That guy's still up there.
Let's go.
Oh, you got
Huge.
Hey, that's what that damn. What's that guy still up there for? The fuck? Maybe they're baiting our hit so they get.
I
They're
think
getting
they
stolen.
dog shit.
We're not gonna have a spitter for
Hit
it.
early. Maybe we hit. No, let's hit up top.
We do have a spitter. I lied.
Oh, want to hit down here or so we
Yeah.
get a hit?
Sure. Well, I know.
Ah, this is kind of bad. Yeah.
No, it's just.
Should we save for top of ladder?
Yeah. That's his guarantee. Yeah.
Let me message Rising, see what he thinks.
Yeah, right. Coach Rising in our ear.
Where do you spawn here?
Bridge.
This one up top, I guess.
Or right here's a spawn. It'd be better for Charger right
Yeah,
here.
you're right.
Again. Let me see your face. Damn, just gotta do. Oh, there's a railing right there, so.
The guy that goes up, either pull or charge, and then I'll get the guy on the ladder.
Alright. I mean, if you see the charge, you're
Oh,
gonna
and
pull and
charge.
just take it.
Yeah.
But I might
Well,
get
it's
cleared
your
this way.
head,
They might be
so-
looking at me.
Just wait,
Yeah,
wait.
they're fucking wait. Yeah, they're waiting for me. So get ready to go. Oh my god, that's good. That's good. He took like no damage on after he got up though. That was weird.
Reload.
I think they're gonna run back on the bridge.
No, yeah.
They might go underneath. They're going. They're going down.
Yeah, maybe get another hit. Fuck it.
Right.
Go quick
Yeah,
here.
sure, yeah.
Fuck up.
No wall kicks.
It's fine, I think.
Nice,
Oh,
nice,
my
hop,
God.
nice hop.
You see that fucking hop?
Sick hop. Keep facing, keep
I go in.
Up to you. Yeah. Well, yeah. Good.
Let's see any comment. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, honestly, there's no
Fuck, I'm coming.
Dude, every time I landed, boom, I get no fucking horse.
I'm in now.
Yep.
Oh, the M2 god. The M2 lord. Still really good damage.
I mean, yeah.
Shit. Dude, I landed triple
I'm
boom,
trying to
no
death
horse.
punch that guy.
Help.
Aye.
You guys are dog
I
shit.
fucked up my charger. That would have been game over.
This here is some serious bullshit.
Game over if I landed that
Hit up top again.
Yeah.
You guys are dog shit.
This shit is bananas.
B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
No, my spawn, Acer. Trust.
No, no.
Oh fuck, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to!
Alright, just fucking.
Controlling me.
Can I clip him?
I'm trying to
Run
arc,
away!
man.
Oh.
I'm trying to arc. Yeah, I'm trying to arc.
Oh my god, I didn't pop me, it's spawn.
Are we gonna quad here?
One for event, one for event.
I'm guilty. I'll say
Play
it.
for it.
Slip it out of my mind.
Alright, let's take a breath. Take a breath. Wait. You got Giannis in the heat now.
I feel like
Yeah, we're already held.
Thanasis.
Anything else is just good stuff. We have Death Charge here.
I say we're just. I'm gonna pull back. You guys ready? Ready? Oh fuck! Never mind. Just on the
Come
back.
on.
On the back.
I guess.
No. Oh fuck! We're gonna have to go. If they push him. If they push him, just get ready to go. They're pushing him.
Yeah, they're. Oh, no, hold up. Yeah. Fuck it. Go.
He pushed by himself is crazy. Still good damage. I can't believe he
Sorry, I
pushed
baited
by
you.
himself, dude. What the fuck was
I
that?
baited you. One slow, we can get another hit though.
I mean, you got a solo pounce for a while,
That's what I'm saying. Why would he push that by? He knew I was over there.
These guys are fucking dog shit. No wonder they want a forfeit win.
so. No wonder they want. I'm not gonna boom low key.
Don't shoot that car.
This alarm car. Rock into the alarm car.
Reloading.
Look out!
Ready? Spinning cap.
Nice. And there's before. Maybe we can go look at this. Big charge here, Big Daddy.
Safe house!
Let's fucking go.
These guys are dog!
That's huge.
Nah, Rising lied to us. He said they're better than every team we played lately.
Want to make your peace.
Heads
You
up!
hurt bad.
Spin safer.
One more time and that's
The
it.
map.
Thanks a lot.
Stay.
Man said there was nothing
spread,
to worry
nice spread.
about. Well,
Two ticks. Go. I get charged.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, I get boom.
Oh, they closed the door. Alright.
Everyone, just take a minute. Don't ready up. Just take a minute or two.
Show your
We're
OBS.
done.
Show your OBS.
No, I mean, well, I can't. Wait, dude, can you guys show me like what you're what are you guys doing? Like display capture?
Desktop capture. Yeah, display capture.
Desktop. Okay, desktop capture.
Share your
That's
screen,
fine.
Acer.
Real talk though, if
Like
we get a
display
forfeit
capture.
loss for whatever the fuck may or may not happen, I think I'm done.
Oh yeah.
They're like,
no, if this
Acer
happens,
got
I'm
map
done.
1!
Acer did not have the OBS ready
Hold
by
up.
the time. It's not.
Can you
it's
guys show me
not-
something?
Acer
It's
did
not the
not-
admin's
Real,
fault.
show me.
I don't
We're
know what
not
we
ready
did.
or prepared when they
Like,
gave us
I-
ample
right?
time to be ready and prepared.
What does it say? For
I'm
like,
taking a screenshot. I'm gonna put it in voice chat right now.
Actually, I don't know if I should do that.
Here. This is what I should look like.
Oh, that's funny.
So when you go to sources, you got to press plus and then display capture on OBS. Do you see sources?
Yeah, plus display capture.
Yes.
Wait, do we
Okay.
tab out this map?
That's
And
that's
then
it.
capture
Yeah, just show
method.
your desktop right now, or
Yeah,
show your
yeah.
OBS.
Display method. Is it display my screen?
Why is
Capture
there, like, a
method what,
lag?
automatic or?
It should be like capture monitor. That's what I do. I capture like my main monitor.
No, here.
Yeah, but
here.
what's capture method?
Look, I'll stream here. Let me share my screen. Share my screen.
Just answer my question. What's the capture method? You just
Automatic. I have
display.
automatic display my
display
thing.
capture. Yeah, automatic.
Sorry. I don't know. I thought you already had to set up. That's my
I
bad.
mean, I do, but like whenever I like go back into Left 4 Dead, it's a black screen on.
That's
on
why I
Steam.
feel like you're
Wait, is that
not
happening to me,
playing on
Loki?
display capture. Then I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
Well,
I'm playing
well,
on
yeah, I know,
display
but
capture, and
Yeah.
when I tab
am.
out, I see a black screen for a second.
Dude, we'll just take the DQ at this fucking point.
Whatever, whatever the fuck
Yeah,
happens,
whatever.
happens.
You
I
have
don't
to be
give
in
a fuck.
windowed borderless mode. Oh my god. I don't know.
ready
What...
to
I'm
not
Are you
on
guys-
Winded Borderless. I
Whatever. We
switched.
got what we got.
Yo, oh my god.
I mean, are you streaming, Acer?
Yeah.
I mean, if people can see your stream when you're playing, then it's capturing.
I mean, no, they see it when I alt tab. Like, no, it's a black screen. It's literally a black screen on.
So
Steam.
they don't see your stream at all right now, or your
No.
game.
No.
Are you playing on
Um,
Windows Borderless?
Yes.
Whatever.
No, then it's
fuck it.
cooked. They were cooked.
Honestly, that
Alright,
same
no,
shit
fine.
might be
Sure,
happening to
sure.
me.
We win and then we lose. Who cares?
Weapons over here!
Yes.
Win.
If we take the loss by DQ, it is what it is. Like,
Next tournament, I'll walk you through every single thing you
tournament,
need to do before
I'm not
the
playing.
Tournament, I don't give a fuck, Colin. I'm not gonna be here.
This
Ominous.
is a farewell tour.
God. Where's your mentals?
Alright, I'm
this is
baiting
where I
him.
get off.
Pistol.
Oh, you got the hunter.
Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. It's invisible! They tapped out! Because he made me! Holy fuck!
Press record one, stop, record stop.
See, when I'm on,
You
just
should have
when
that
I'm on,
bound- you should
when I'm
have
on
that bound
borderless
in the
window, my shit never goes in it. That's just crazy.
You should have that bound in
This
game.
is
for the
cringe.
Reloading.
Alright, are we going here?
Yeah,
This is a this is Pilsner too. This is a
Please, please! Holy
sorry,
fuck!
I was on the other side of the room.
Holy fuck! Okay, he's at the door. I'll
There's pills behind you, man.
So I'm 100. How about this? I'm gonna bait him in a party, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
fuck, I took damage.
To me, then that's on him, but I'm gonna.
I almost shot that.
He's in, or he's not. Paul's arm.
He's in.
Hunted. That's big.
I'm cracked. Fuck.
Reloading.
Where that
Big
put
clear.
you
That was big
at?
clear.
Sorry, didn't mean to put you out none.
You good?
Ammo here.
I owe you one.
We cool.
That's a good tank fight.
Can we just go? Or do we want to wait it?
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
You want to wait a hit here? I don't know if they can.
Yeah, yeah, wait.
I don't know if they
I
can get
don't think
above,
they do.
but
Just watch this one. Just watch this one.
bitter. Boomer. Are you good behind?
They're calm.
We're good.
Make it to the.
You can probably make it inside the room if you're yeah.
Reloading!
Yeah, I got one.
Only one more.
Before tank.
Wait up. Rest of the sword. Someone watch me though. Compromise position. Compromise.
I'm a reload.
We might need these.
Bait.
Okay, this seriously hurts.
Search these rooms. Might be something we can use.
That's it. Stay focused.
I'm him.
We're just going that way.
That way.
Do y'all want to drop
Out.
out and under maybe?
Is there a spit?
Oh, well.
I don't know.
Fuck it,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. There is.
I'm down.
3, 2, 1, go.
These here zombies are trying to kill me.
No.
Oh no. Oh no. I thought I got that speed, but I missed.
All underneath.
Oh, baby, can't have you
You
down
gonna
there.
be
Let me help
okay.
you
It's
on your
okay.
feet.
Oh,
It's alright.
I ain't gonna lie.
It's alright, we're
Down
gonna
again.
get no
And that-
fucking. We're gonna forfeit anyways or whatever. DQ pills.
Oh, it's supposed to be.
Oh, shit. This ain't
I-
gonna be good.
Well, I'll talk about it after. Just-
Hey, I'm reloading.
I'm just gonna limp. No one more hit. I'm running ahead.
You need the buck, that's
He's not dead, bro.
One more spawn.
Jumping Jesus, man, what are you doing?
Watch out.
Keep your aim on underping now.
Reloading.
Reloading.
I'm gonna die.
What?
Settle down, boy.
You should have taken those to go first take down there.
Oh, Hunter scared me.
I go. You guys are gonna miss me.
I don't know.
Ain't got no
My-
time for this shit.
My
Get
leader
in
Ryzen
here.
wasn't here to tell me whether or not to take the pills or not.
Oh my god.
Oh,
We-
yeah. Oh,
we need-
yeah. Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
we need Rising and Acer's chat.
Fucking commander position rising like NS2 or whatever. Bro.
Yeah, I didn't do shit there. I shot tank on it actually. Never mind. We're chill.
I didn't do shit either. I also, what I was gonna say is that I think my capture is a black screen too, for some
Yeah, that's
reason.
what I'm saying. I kind of accepted that we're probably taking the loss here just because of our recording, so
But,
let's at least get the dub.
I mean, these guys are just fucking dog shit.
Let's not be like Ross and play it out.
Yes, sir.
Let's at least,
No wonder I didn't hear the hunter get shift, because the motherfucker was invisible. My shit was bugged in that this first hit.
watch out,
Ready?
they're going out, they're going out.
Wait. So next time he comes out, just go. I got
Yeah,
you. I didn't spawn, are you kidding? I fucking didn't. I hate this game.
Man, that spitter is one ugly bitch.
Reloading.
That's big for it. Oh, maybe they're planning this to run back the tank.
Yeah, and they want to run back for tank.
Got the play on
Let's go, I guess.
Let's go, let's go.
I'm too close. You can...
I'll try this shotgun.
Reloading here.
Grabbing the machine gun.
I feel like I'm always in map 4, bro. I don't even remember what map 4 is on this. Oh, I think I did.
One more hit before tank. Quick.
Reloading.
We should go quick though. Wait,
Alright.
inside.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
Ready? Yeah, go.
Go.
Oh, there's a truck here. Block my tongue. Sorry.
God damn it. Oh, huge.
Damn it, I'm covered in
Gets
goo.
goodness. Inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in the same spot we were.
How the fuck do I get there?
You gotta go that ladder
Where
to
that-
yeah, that one, and then to your left again.
Second.
Quick the door though. It's good.
I'm so bad on shotgun. I played Uzi all day yesterday. I was popping off.
Comment if you want. If you can, Destiny's the one who's not 5 punches.
Oh, he just
Yeah,
popped.
Nick.
He just bobbed. Maybe just leave him up there, not a bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to go for Nick. Ready?
What?
Go.
One more? I might get cleared.
This is good. This is fucking good.
Oh, I
this
missed!
is not
What?
good.
I missed!
Ready to get up?
This is not good. No.
Pretty torn
That's
up.
a good
Comment,
jank though. Fuck.
don't press S when you punch, ever.
Reloading.
Shoot yourself.
I missed.
I mean, they're
I
bad.
didn't wait for
Gotta keep up. Gotta keep up.
All right.
That's tough, bro. That'd been a huge wipe right there.
Thank you.
I didn't wait for the God transfer.
I mean, they're
Get some distance here. Kinda shitty.
They're
My bad.
it's good damage anyway. And also, we're
It's
probably
an S&D restart angle. Holy shit. What? Alright, we're still taking the lot. I didn't get to put my tank!
Oh my god, what an awful fucking experience that was.
so if they GG, is that the equivalent to like never not playing at all?